gold on you?
No. I don't think so.
Well, you better give it up.
What are you gonna do?
Into a clap.
Ah!
The Silver Queen always gets what she wants. Money, money, another victory for the Silver Queen. Something's wrong. I need to go check.
Action.
I'm gonna look for clues. Hey, I found a clue. Silver Queen will now perform her victory dance for her peeps. Spiderman has 0 chance of winning. I'm out of darts. Hail to the Queen, Spider-Man. Never. I guess it's not his payday.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Have a good day.